Combe. $10. Cash only. I don't got that. Good morning.
Afternoon.
So we're headed to Manhattan today. We're actually going into the city and leaving Brooklyn for a little while just to see the sights. I think the first stop is probably going to be Chinatown. We're going to go to Williamsburg later, meet our friends. I think after Chinatown, we're just gonna kind of wing it. See where the day takes us.
Wander around.
Yeah.
Weather report.
It's cold.
It's a bit cold, isn't it?
It's dry.
40 degrees, it's dry, and it's windy.
Yeah.
So, the wind chill is a little bit nippier than the other days. Alright.
So we're heading to the train station.
It's us.
Yeah.
Just the three of us.
This train's cool because it has like the old school, like 1970s seats in it. We're the express towards Manhattan, so we switch trains, and this one makes less stops and goes to Manhattan quicker. So we took a wrong turn on the way to Chinatown. My fault. But we just came down another street so we can see down the street as we walk back to where we're supposed to be, and we saw this cute little beer place.
It's called a Top Hop Beer Shop?
Yeah.
Or Top Hop Beer Company?
So we took that as a sign. Like everything happens for a reason, you know? So if I didn't get lost,
The boys took it as a sign.
we wouldn't be here.
I just want to warm.
So Chinatown after this.
Yeah.
So while we're in Chinatown, we're stopping to get some dim sum. And we're at Jing Fong. It's like a really traditional dim sum place here in Chinatown.
Yeah, they push the carts and everything here.
So they bring like the dim sum carts to your table. And it is a giant restaurant. I read somewhere it's like the largest restaurant in Manhattan. Because look at the dining room like around here.
It's like a banquet hall.
It's a giant banquet hall.
So when we started ordering, we got the traditional, like the shumai, I guess, and then the shrimp dumplings, vegetable dumplings, and then tripe.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And tea.
And teas. We have to have tea for digestion. So yeah, we're like trucked over here, so I'm like puffing and puffing. Well, in the afternoon, sometime now.
Yeah. Just got done with some awesome dim sum.
Beer bar, dim sum. Now we're walking towards SOHO, I guess.
We're trying to get to the High Line.
We keep talking about it.
We're heading that way.
Yeah, we've actually never been there.
Yeah.
So we'll try to go there.
It's just been built over the last couple of years, so it's a pretty new attraction, so we haven't been. It was an elevated train line for cargo coming into the industrial area. But that industry isn't there anymore, so it's like an abandoned above the street railway, and they made it into a park. So it's a park with like art installations, and it's like raised above the street. So I want to check it out.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say we officially gave up on the High Line. That's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the Continental. It's like this kind of divey bar in Manhattan.
Super divey.
But I just looked it up on Google Maps and I ended up going to
The Continental
Hotel, which is not close. So I got lost again. But while we're here, we found this place. It's the VU Rooftop Bar. That's here in Koreatown in Manhattan.
It's inside the La Quinta Hotel.
Yeah, on the top.
Or La Quinta Inn. Yeah.
So on the 14th story, and right behind you over here is the Empire State Building.
Not behind us. Behind you.
There's thick leaves behind us, but that way is the Empire State Building. Oh, and it's pink right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, on the very top.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Show them.
Nope, can't see it. To come to New York to look at it. Not showing you.
It's a cool place.
Sarah will go to any rooftop bar. She loves rooftop bars.
I do. So does Isaiah.
That was my idea.
And it's cold here, but they have like heaters.
Yeah.
So we're alright.
It's not a spotlight, just so you know. It's not a spotlight. And actually, it's a really good timing too, because like it's not dark yet. So it's perfect timing. So cheers to New York, guys.
So they've been the VU Rooftop Bar. If you want to come here, by the time this video is published,
Posted,
updated online, the bar won't exist. They're closing down like in a week.
It's pretty sad.
So sorry.
but
Oh, nice.
it was fun.
Yeah, it was a cool bar, too bad. We're headed to another rooftop bar in Williamsburg in Brooklyn. So we have to get there quick because our friends are meeting us.
30 minutes.
So
Hey, boys.
we're gonna get going. Okay, our train's here, we gotta get going. No,
So here.
hey, don't flip. Train's here, gotta go. Transferring train. We're transferring train. Space. Still here. Alright,
There he is.
we're almost there. We're transferring trains. Gotta hurry. So we got on the train. Now we're
In
headed to meet our friends in Brooklyn. We're at the Westlight in Williamsburg, in Brooklyn. It's really nice because you're on the Brooklyn side of the river, so you have a whole view of Manhattan.
Over there.
Which is that way. So we went to the rooftop bar and some friends met up with us, and now we're heading towards Brooklyn Bowl. It's a bowling alley in Williamsburg.
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.